How's it going, everyone? Thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2010 Lincoln MKX all-wheel drive. Really nice 20-inch rims on it, Pirelli tires, tons of tread, 169,000 miles. We just serviced it. Drives really good, 3.5 liter engine. Definitely one of Ford's best engines they put out, Lincoln. And it is pretty loaded up. Has nav, has Bluetooth, has pano roof, ventilated seats, heated seats. Interior is really clean. You can see it has nice leather, big panel roof. Sharp looking car, definitely ahead of its time for a 10. See a little bit of wear right there on the seat, but that seat, the rest of the interior is in excellent shape. Go ahead and start her up. 169,000 miles. And if it's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you need any repair work, you have a Lincoln, Cadillac, foreign vehicle, definitely give us a holler and we'll help you out. Thanks for checking out our video.